Starlink Internet. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX. It provides high-speed, low-latency internet access to users all over the world, including in remote and underserved areas. Starlink is different from traditional satellite internet services in a few key ways. First, Starlink satellites orbit much closer to Earth at an altitude of about 550 kilometers. This allows for significantly lower latency, or the time it takes for data to travel between the user and the satellite. Second, Starlink uses a mesh network of satellites to route traffic. This means that data can be transmitted from one satellite to another until it reaches its destination. This helps to reduce congestion and improve reliability. Starlink is still in beta testing, but it is already available to users in many parts of the world. SpaceX plans to continue adding satellites to the constellation and expanding coverage until Starlink is available globally. Ectolife is a concept for an artificial womb facility designed by Hashim Al-Ghaili, a biotechnologist and science communicator. It is a futuristic vision of how childbirth could be conducted in the future, using artificial wombs to incubate babies for 9 months. The Ectolife facility would be powered entirely by renewable energy and would be able to house up to 30,000 babies at a time. Each baby would be incubated in a growth pod that mimics the exact conditions found inside the uterus. The pods would be equipped with sensors to monitor the baby's vital signs and AI to detect any potential genetic abnormalities. Parents would be able to choose to have their babies genetically engineered before implantation using CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing. This would allow them to eliminate genetic disorders and choose certain physical characteristics for their babies, such as height, eye color, and hair color. Pilot manufacturing of wearable sensors is the production of a small batch of sensors to test the manufacturing process and the product design in a real-world environment. This is an important step in the development of new wearable sensors, as it allows companies to identify and address any potential problems before beginning mass production. There are a number of factors to consider when planning a pilot manufacturing run of wearable sensors. One of the most important is the type of sensor being produced. Some sensors, such as those that measure heart rate or blood pressure, require a high level of accuracy and precision. Others, such as those that track activity levels or sleep patterns, may be less demanding. The James Webb Space Telescope is an international collaboration between NASA, the European Space Agency, and the Canadian Space Agency. It is the largest and most powerful space telescope ever built, with a 6.5-meter primary mirror. JWST is an infrared telescope, meaning that it sees light in the infrared spectrum, which is invisible to the human eye. This allows JWST to see objects that are too faint and cold to be seen by visible light telescopes, such as the Hubble Space Telescope. Study the first light emitted after the Big Bang. Understand the formation and evolution of galaxies. Study the formation of stars and planetary systems. Understand the physics of exoplanets and the potential for life beyond Earth. Quantum computing is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize many fields, including artificial intelligence, AI. AI researchers are already exploring ways to use quantum computers to develop new and more powerful AI algorithms. One way that quantum computing could be used to improve AI is in the area of machine learning. Machine learning algorithms are used to train AI models on data. This process can be very computationally expensive, especially for large datasets. Quantum computers could be used to speed up the machine learning process, which could lead to the development of more powerful and accurate AI models. Another way that quantum computing could be used to improve AI is in the area of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a field of AI that deals with the interaction between computers and human, natural languages. Flying Whales is a French aeronautic startup that is developing a new type of airship, the Flying Whales, which is designed to transport heavy loads to remote locations without the need for airstrips or other infrastructure. The Flying Whales is a hybrid airship, meaning that it uses both helium and electric motors to fly. It is also designed to be environmentally friendly, with a low carbon footprint. The Flying Whales is a massive aircraft, with a length of 200 meters and a diameter of 50 meters. It has a payload capacity of 60 tons, which makes it the largest cargo aircraft in the world. The Flying Whales is also very versatile,